So first, we remove the background from the image we'll be using. So anyway you know how to remove backgrounds, which is best for you, please do. So I'll be using this select subject, and then we click here, removes the background for us. We export it as a PNG, we save it, and then now we head on to CorelDRAW. So here we are. So first we need our background. So there you have it. Let's try this a little. Now the image we just so there it is. We'll shrink this image here and still shrink it more. So this is okay. And now the text behind this is lack. So we stretch it. So you use any fonts that you are comfortable with. So let's just use something. Okay, no, let's change this one and let's use something else. CU impact no. Okay. All right. So let's go with this. So now lack. We have this lack here, and then we have a red line crossing it. It shouldn't be that thick, and then we choose red here. We take the outline off by coming here. So this is selected, and then we come here, we right click, and then we choose set outline color. So this means no fill. So if you want a color to be there, you can choose this. It gives you a color. But then when you don't want a color, you come here and then it gives you no color. Now we click this, our hand on shift, we click this CE to make it align very well. This is too long, so we can cut it short. Yes, and then let's align the CE again. So now it's aligned. Let me bring you here. And then now see this thing is blurred in there. So we can select it, come to effects, blur, and then the Gaussian blur. We can thicken it a little more. Okay. And then we have you here. And so per the objects, we see here this one is behind the lack, but we want it in front, so we can just bring it here and then it comes in front. And then now because of the excess from this image, we can use the power clip to clip it inside, and then we do the same for this as well. We clip both inside, and then in the power clip, when we enter the power clip, we can just control page up, and then brings it up, control page up, brings it up. Now let's go to the other text. It says it's hard work. Hard work exclamation. Now, oh no, I've stretched it. So now here we do, we decrease it a little, and then we bring like we did at first. So you can go closer. feel like this thing is too big. So let's decrease it here. And then yellow. And then no outline, we come here. Okay. And so they have an ash background. We can also have an ash background. So we click this and just choose an ash background. There you have it. So the yellow is theirs is deeper, so you can choose a deeper yellow. And then there you go. There you go. The work is ready, and there you have it.